whatever.
You're gonna do surprise, okay?
Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Recording?
Surprise! Get that corn stick out of my face! Hey, that's not funny. That's not nice.
Yes, it is.
You forgot to say you made me look like a fool last night.
You made me look like a fool last night.
No, she was supposed to say it, but okay.
Whatever.
Okay.
What's next? Hurry. Where'd it go?
Chancho, I need to borrow some swags. Are you leaving us, Nacho? No, Chancho. I just need to borrow some swags. I smell chicken!
Wait, what's that one? Do the gay thing. No, ready?
What part from it?
I know what part.
What are you doing? That's not cool right there. That's not even funny. Honey. Oh my gosh. Can you believe him? Just look at her butt. It is like so big. She looks like one of those rap guys. Honey Badger don't care. Honey Badger don't give a poop. Look at Honey Badger go. He doesn't care. Rip his head apart. Do whatever he wants. Honey Badger. Honey Badger.
Wait a sec.
FYI, he's been bitten.
What's next? What's next? I got like 2 more. There they are, standing. Am
I gonna be this way forever?
Oh my goodness. Do the dog thing, remember? Yeah? Yeah?
Okay.
No. Yeah, I'll talk to you, Tracy.
And I went to the refrigerator, and I found some cheese. Yeah? What'd you do with the cheese? Well, I put it on some ham, and I ate it. No!
What's a really funny part from that YouTube video? Casey?
JC's in the house. Tell me who's in the house.
Oh
JC's
my goodness.
in the house.
Here we go.
Yellow, my chick. Yellow bottle, sit down. Yellow, Lamborghini. Yellow top, missing. Yeah. That's...
Here we go. Oh man, it's good.
No, I don't even say it says he's talking about my I'm done. Hey, yo, Breezy.
Mine's done. Hey, yo, Breezy. Let me try this one.
No.
I have a good saying. Wait, Caleb hasn't done any.
Caleb.
You haven't done any.
What?
You want to finish it?
Yeah. Do your lovely bunch.
Do the... Yeah.
The
hold right there.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Okay.
All of it.
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Doodly-doo, there they are, standing in the road. Bum, bum, bum. Big one, small one, some as big as your head. Will flick like this, so quick as the wrist. That is what I said. Oh!